All right, are you ready to do this?
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
All right, so OFD checking in here with
Watches Galore.
Watches Galore, Scott Stopfer, and today we went to Gettysburg and did a tour of Gettysburg. It was awesome. Had so much fun. Really had a good time out there. A lot of history. If you guys haven't been to Gettysburg, put it on your bucket list because it's really impressive. But came home to the mailbox and got this.
Yeah, so we found this package in the mail today, and it's a Swiss watch company. Go ahead, do the honors.
Going to the honors.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So using the Spyderco from Neil Rogers out at Heart of Texas Armory. Make sure I don't cut myself open here. We both always worry about cutting ourselves open on film, so we're gonna try to
Always cut away from yourself.
Yeah, always cut towards Scott, right? I'll cut that way. So, anyways, there we go. Got the box
let's
open.
get this guy out of here. So yeah, they sent this out to me to share with you guys. We're gonna do an unboxing here. So this is kind of an unboxing video. I'll be sure to put a full review up in a week or so for sure.
Yep.
But check it out.
Oh wow, that is beautiful. Beautiful. So yeah, this is the Swiss Watch Company 300-meter diver. This happens to be the green one. If you guys watch our channel, Scott and I have both reviewed the blue model of this watch. It's an absolute stunner, just an absolute beautiful watch. It went out on tour. This one came into Scott from SWC. So I don't know, probably a couple of weeks you'll do a full review of the watch.
Yeah,
so,
absolutely.
But I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with this watch because it's really out there on Instagram. It's really making its rounds, and it's quite an impressive watch. What you get for like sub $500, right? It's really impressive. $500. Yeah, really impressive piece. Like I said, we did the blue one. The blue model, actually, I gave it to a friend that lives on the coast in California, and he's going to do some diving with the watch and get some pictures of diving with it. Next, I think it's April, he's actually going to dive Truck Lagoon in Japan. So going to get some really, really good pictures with the watch. But impressive, I mean, super impressive for the price point. You know, they're Swiss, it's a Swiss movement, I think, right?
Yep.
Yeah, the Solida,
Yep.
SW200 in there. High beat movement, great movement. Solid link bracelet, just pretty much has everything going for it in a diver. 43mm case. Great size and thickness with the watch. Yeah, very, very well done.
Great father and son team coming together to make this.
Stefan and Josh. Josh is doing I think the marketing.
Yep.
Stefan Romer has a background with Swatch Group.
For years.
Like 20-something years in quality control and quality assurance. So really a lot of, Swiss watch history just in the people behind this watch. And they've just done a really spectacular job. Not only that, just really great people. In the dealings I've had with Josh, he's just an amazing guy, really nice guy. So yeah, I mean, look at the case. The watches come in.
Comes back very nice.
Yeah, very nicely done.
Super high quality for the money.
Yeah, definitely very nice. So got your warranty card. And they do include some bent spring bars on this watch because it is pretty, the case and the band are pretty close together. But you can change out the straps on them, no problem. But really good looking watch.
Love it. Definitely do a review shortly on this one.
Yeah. What are you wearing today?
Oh yeah, I'm wearing the EMG Nemo.
That's a good one.
Yeah, the baby blue.
Yeah.
Just an everyday great diver.
We both reviewed the yellow version of that watch, right? At one point, that was a
comfy beads of ice bracelet.
Yeah, beads of ice.
I just wear it all the time.
Yeah, it's a good looking watch. I'm wearing my Nautis Avalon, the green Avalon with the stainless steel bezel insert. Just a great cushion case watch. It's kind of amazing how much work they put into the design of this watch. Wes and Cullen, just great job on that. Yeah, H-Link style bracelet. So much good stuff coming out from micro brands nowadays.
Oh, yes. Really talking about micro brands, what are you drinking? Microbrew?
Oh, microbrew. Actually, yeah, Mr. Chris Walls, thank you. When he came out to the PA Watch Enthusiast Roundup, he gave us this Funk Citrus India Pale Ale. If you guys aren't familiar with it, where's it? It's out of town?
It's in Elizabethtown and Emmaus, PA. Yeah, really good.
Pennsylvania beer, very good. It's got a citrusy taste, no bitter hoppy taste. I know you like the hoppy taste. I'm kind of a little iffy on the hops, but very smooth, very smooth beer.
It is very good. By the way, we had a really good time. Hopefully, if we do this next year, possibly the PA Watch Enthusiast Roundup. We were in
spectacular.
Wow, where did we go? We went to the National Watch and Clock Museum in Columbia, PA, and then
which is incredible.
Amazing. A lot of great guys came. Dave Watch Loves. 12 o'clock
Orion. Yeah, very good stuff.
You can see all those guys on Instagram, by the way. But then we went
to RGM Watch Company. And it's funny because Scott Scott spoke with Roland and kind of got this arranged, and so when we were talking about it, I was a little bit nervous and thought, okay, you know, we're probably going to go in there and he'll show us a few things, then kick us out the door. But I have to tell you, one of the most gracious American craftsmen out there. Roland took this group of watch enthusiasts in, and what I thought would be a short tour ended up being a 3-hour personalized, just every aspect of RGM watches from the beginning to where they are now. He showed us everything. It was absolutely amazing. The quality of the watches is bar none. Just absolutely amazing American craftsmanship. Everything is pretty much done in-house. I mean, the CNC machines we saw, the older machines from the 1930s and even older that they're still using for the perlage work, and just amazing stuff in there. And the watches themselves, I mean, just absolutely spectacular. We held the tourbillon, the gold,
$138,000,
$138,000 tourbillon watch. I mean, just absolutely amazing. And if you're not familiar, the 801 movement, which Roland created, was the first American-made movement since 1969, and he's making these movements. The 801 movement is made here in Pennsylvania, so it's absolutely a true American-made watch, and just amazing.
Yeah, the whole watch is American-made right here. Everything, fabricated parts, everything. No, I think some of the cases came from Germany and Switzerland.
Some parts are done. Some of the mid cases, I think it's the mid cases are all done here, and then some of the parts. But regardless, fully American-made watches and absolutely amazing. So.
Check out his website for sure.
RGM. Clark's getting a drink of water.
Yeah, that's my pooch there getting a drink. But we'll leave a link to
Swiss Watch Company,
RGM, and what else? We had a couple other ones.
We're going to leave the link to Dave's Watch Love, who came out, his YouTube channel. He was out here. We'll leave some Instagram links for some of the gentlemen that came to the show. 12 o'clock Orion, 83 Watcher 83. Yeah, Watcher 83. Yep. Definitely going to leave some links down below. Check them out. Follow the links. Follow them on Instagram and see what they've got to offer.
Super guys. I mean, a bunch of great guys. And, you know, we might have changed watches a couple times that day.
Like 2, 3, 4 times maybe, because we brought watches with us, so we went to lunch kind of afterwards after the whole get together, and it was great. We were in a restaurant, we had a table like this, and we had 35, 40 watches laid out with what everyone brought, and it was just so much fun. Wrist shots of each other's watches and whatnot.
You'll see them on Instagram.
Check out Instagram. We've got a lot of pictures up there. So
awesome.
Good stuff.
So hey, since I have you here in PA, what's your watch you give the most wrist time to lately?
Probably my Breitling, my Super Ocean 2. Yeah, I mean, it's just a wonderful watch. And as a matter of fact, Roland, I bought a band off him yesterday.
Oh yeah.
And Roland at RGM installed the band on my Breitling. And I'm pretty sure that band's not going to come off until it falls off, just because Roland handled my Breitling and actually put it on there, right? I took pictures of it just for proof that it actually happened, but no. So that's my watch. I like to. How about you? What are you wearing mostly?
Oh wow, I think mostly lately I'm wearing the Doxa. But I just got that watch. Blue Hole Seiko I've been.
Oh, that's right, the Blue Hole. Yeah, that's a neat one. I need to look at that. You gotta send that out to California eventually.
I'm gonna do a review on that one too, but it's probably one of the best Seikos I've ever bought. So.
Some of those newer, the SBDC 053, the Blue Hole, Seiko's really coming out with some really high class. You get into that $600 to $800 price range, and it's like, forget about it. You've got a lot.
Yeah, you got a good watch. You got a good watch. Absolutely, man. Yeah. That's awesome.
So check out Swiss Watch Company. There will be a review coming soon. We're going to leave the links to both of our channels for the review of the Blue model, which we've had before. But guys, thanks for tuning in to the channel. If you've not subscribed to our channels yet, please do.
Please do.
Yeah, definitely. And give us a thumbs up down there at the bottom. This video will actually be on Watches Galore channel and on the OFD channel, so you guys can check it out in both places, or check it out on Scott's channel first, though, definitely. So,
well,
all right, guys.
Either one, it's good.
Right, exactly. So, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Take it easy.
Take care.